Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1968 Mustang Fastback. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, power forged pistons, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft. We have the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads on there, Taylor American made ignition wires in black. All the wire markers are on there. Proper oil pan for the customer's 68 Fastback. He's running a aftermarket front end on there, so we have the proper Moroso oil pan. He's running a Detroit Speed alumina frame in there, so this is the proper oil pan. Chrome dipstick and tube. We have the MSC coil on there. Distributor set in place. Holley Sniper fuel injection. Cobra air cleaner. The matching Cobra valve covers with the 427 badges. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. The Holley Sniper fuel injection system will be completely dialed in. The menu screen, all the settings set, ready to go, plug and play. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum readings, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. Timing will be set. Again, Sniper completely dialed in, ready to go. You have the oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure hookup. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter, all the loop clamps. Proper automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell. AN fittings. Thermostat housings installed, proper one for the 68 Mustang. Thermostats installed, bypass hose. It's real nice wraptor pulley kit. Self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. High flow aluminum water pump. Correct water lower hose on the passenger side for the 68 Mustang. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps on there. So this is the way you get it complete. This is our 427 Ford again, 540 horsepower, Holley Sniper fuel injection engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.